Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be making a simple crochet beanie in size Preemie Baby. So I'm using this yarn, which is the same as Red Heart Super Saver, a 5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a yarn needle and a measuring tape. To start, make a slip knot. And then chain 5. Next, we want to go back into the first chain that we made and make a slip stitch so it makes a loop. Okay, so there's our loop there. Chain 2. And then in this loop, we're going to make 12 double crochets. So yarn over, go into the center, yarn over and pull through. So you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay, so you've got your chain 2 and you just need to make 12 double crochets all in the same loop that you made. Okay, once you've made your 12 double crochets, just pull the tail tight to close the hole. And then slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet you made. So here's your chain 2. So just slip stitch into this one. Okay, from now on any chain 2 counts as a stitch. So to start the next row, make your chain 2. Okay, so that counts as your first double crochet. Go back into the same stitch as the chain 2 and make a double crochet. And then in every stitch you want to make a double crochet increase. So a double crochet increase is 2 double crochets in the same stitch. So 1, and then go back in the same stitch and make a second one. Okay. So after you finish this row, you should have increased from 12 to 24. Okay, so here's how it looks after you've increased to 24. So this is your slip stitch from the previous row. To finish the row, just slip stitch to the top of your chain 2, just in here. Okay, To start the next row, chain 2. Make 1 double crochet in the same stitch that you chained 2. One double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so the pattern for this row is 1 double crochet increase, 1 double crochet by itself in the next stitch. And you're going to repeat that all the way around. So 1 double crochet increase, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so 1 increase, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So after this row you should increase from 24 to 36. Okay, so once you finish that row you should have 36 stitches around, and then you just want to slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. Next, chain 2, and we're going to make 1 double crochet in each stitch around. Okay, so when you get to the end of the row, just slip stitch to the top of the chain 2, and to start the next row, chain 2 and 1 double crochet in each stitch until your beanie is 6.5 inches long, so measuring from the center. Okay, just to 6.5 inches. So I'm just going to continue finishing my rows, and I'll come back and show you how it looks at the end. So just remember 1 double crochet in each stitch, and when you get to the end, slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. Okay, so here's how my beanie looks after I've done all my rows. If you don't want to fold the beanie up at the end, because it's a preemie beanie, just increase it to 4.5 to 5 inches instead of 6.5. So my one is just under 6.5. And across the front it is 5 inches. So that means around the head it's 10 inches wide. Okay, so we started with our 3 rows, and then I just double crocheted around for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.